Google's unexpected delay of the Pixel 9a might have created the perfect opportunity for Apple's iPhone 16e. Just when it seemed like Google had everything in place for its latest mid-range phone, a problem surfaced, forcing the company to postpone its release. While it's unclear how much this will affect sales, Apple could be in the best position to benefit from the situation. When it comes to smartphones, first impressions are everything. It's normal for new devices to have minor issues at launch, but delaying a phone due to a component quality issue suggests a bigger problem. Some reports point to possible overheating concerns, and even if those claims are exaggerated, the damage might already be done. If potential buyers start to question a phone's reliability before it even reaches the market, they might hesitate to make a purchase. That hesitation could lead them to explore other options, and the iPhone 16 might suddenly seem like a more reliable choice. The mid-range smartphone market isn't as crowded as the flagship segment, especially in the United States. Google's Pixel series has built a strong reputation as a solid option for Android users who don't want to spend too much. Many people prefer to stick with the same operating system rather than switching between iOS and Android. However, if concerns about the Pixel 9a's reliability continue to grow, some buyers might start to rethink their loyalty to Google. If enough people begin to doubt Google's ability to deliver a dependable budget phone, Apple could attract more customers to its ecosystem. Apple's iPhone 16e is the most exciting smartphone release, but it does share some features with the standard iPhone 16. However, it comes with a few trade-offs, such as a single rear camera, a 60Hz display, and a $599 price tag. These limitations make it less appealing compared to some Android phones in the same price range. Despite this, it has performed better than the now discontinued iPhone SE. Still, many Apple users have expressed frustration over the price as it doesn't offer a significant upgrade over previous models. For those who don't have a strong preference between Android and iOS, the Pixel 9a initially seemed like the better deal. Priced at $499, it offers a modern design, a dual-camera system, a flagship processor, and a large battery, making it $100 cheaper than the iPhone 16e. However, with doubts surrounding its durability, some buyers may now see the extra cost of an iPhone as a safer investment. Overheating issues, if real, could affect the phone's long-term performance, and no one wants to buy a device that might not last through its full support cycle. Google's reputation in the smartphone industry has also taken a hit recently. Just a few weeks ago, reports revealed that the Pixel 4 has suffered from overheating battery issues, leading to a software update that shortened its battery life. This has raised concerns about whether Google's budget-friendly devices can be trusted for long-term use. If customers start viewing Google's more affordable smartphones as unreliable, Apple stands to gain a significant advantage. The delay of the Pixel 9a could push more buyers toward the iPhone 16e. Even though it may not be the most impressive device, it now looks like a more stable option compared to a phone already facing negative reports. What do you think? Would you choose the iPhone 16e over the Pixel 9a? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.